I'm feeling hazy and a little crazy. My tummy is rumbling, it's a little troubling. But wow, 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 I think you're right. You could be good for a bite or two. So hush, little baby, don't say a word. Papa's gonna buy you a mockingbird, and if that mockingbird don't sing, ooh, I'll say, fuck it. You're about to get eaten, better chuck that sucker before I gobble you up while leaning and screaming. You're about to be mine, and your mommy better trust that the claws will be out. Ooh, the claws will be out, you say. Well, can you promise me a faith? There is no doubt you said. I can tell by the way you walk that you like to howl at the moon. So, ooh, the claws will be out, the claws will be out. Ooh, the claws will be out, the claws will be out. Yeah. Oh, well, what big eyes you got? Better to see you without on this beautiful night. You look lovely. What big ears you got? Better to hear you with. I don't wanna miss a syllable. That word, equipment on that smile you flash. It's sharp and descriptive. Not you'd wanna miss it, kiss it, and those claws you got. Well, know what to say about that? And ooh, the claws will be out. Yeah. Can you promise me of that there is no doubt you said? I can tell by the way you walk that you like to howl at them. Ooh, the claws will be out, the claws will be out, yeah. Ooh, the claws will be out, the claws will be out, yeah. Cause I'm a name no more lie, name no more lie, name no more lie. I'm about to lose control, yeah, I'm a monster, baby. But I'm the man of your dreams. And ooh, the claws will be out, the claws will be out, yeah. Ooh, the claws will be out, the claws will be out, yeah. Ooh, the claws will be out, the claws will be out, yeah. Ooh, the claws will be out, claws will be out, yeah.